Our top story at 6:30. The state's juvenile justice system will look very different in the new year. A new law will protect juveniles from prosecution in adult court, even if they kill someone. The goal is to shift the emphasis from punishment to rehabilitation.
But where does that leave the families demanding justice for the victims? Here's KPIX 5 political reporter Melissa Caen.
Checked all the tents and homeless camps. A lot of us have been up all night.
In 2015, a frantic search for Maddie Middleton ended in tragedy.
Our detectives discovered the body of a young female inside of a dumpster at the complex located behind me.
According to Santa Cruz prosecutors, 8-year-old Maddie was choked, stabbed in the neck, raped, her body stuffed inside plastic bags, and left in a recycling bin. The alleged rapist and killer, a 15-year-old boy, her neighbor, A.J. Gonzalez. In October 2017, a judge ordered Gonzalez to face trial as an adult in criminal court. There, he could face life in prison without parole. But starting in 2019, that will no longer be an option. Under a new law, people younger than 16 cannot be tried as adults in criminal court, no matter what the crime or how many crimes. All people under 16 will have to be tried in juvenile court. There, they can be released when they're in their 20s, unless a court grants 2-year extensions to detain them. State Senator Holly Mitchell authored the bill.
We're clear that these kids at those critical teenage years are not adults. They're not pint-sized adults. And so even those who get caught up in the justice system, we have to view with that same lens.
Defense attorney Mike Wise says there's a larger shift going on in California criminal justice.
We're focusing more on therapy, on rehabilitation and reform, and now with the kids on recognizing that they really aren't the same thing as an adult. And it doesn't mitigate the pain of the victim's family.
According to Maddie's grandfather, her friends and family are against this new law. And as for Gonzalez, after the judge ordered him to be tried in criminal court, his lawyers appealed. They want to be back in juvenile court. And so far, the appeals court has not made a decision. And this new law may help Gonzalez's case. Melissa Caen, KPIX 5.
There are a few more California laws taking effect in 2019, including allowing people to identify as a non-binary gender on their driver's license, prohibiting restaurants from giving out plastic straws unless a customer asks, allowing anyone at least 18 years old to ride an electric scooter without a helmet, and prohibiting pet stores from selling dogs or cats that come from breeders. Instead, the stores all have to have animals that come from animal shelters or adoption centers.